हेलो बच्चों, आज हम 5th स्टैंडर्ड इंग्लिश 30 लेसन बी ए नेटिजन का क्वेश्चन आंसर देखेंगे। बी ए नेटिजन मीनिंग्स फर्स्ट दिया हुआ है, नेटिजन्स ए पर्सन हु यूजेस द इंटरनेट ऑफ्टन। सेकेंड, ब्रॉट अबाउट कॉज्ड समथिंग टू हैपन। थर्ड, अमेजिंग एक्सट्रीमली सरप्राइजिंग। फोर्थ, links to make a connection between things. Fifth, browsing, looking at information on the internet. Sixth, surfing, spending time visiting a lot of websites. Seventh, update to make something more modern by adding the latest information. Eighth, be online to be able to use email or the internet. Question number 1, list the words or phrases related with computer or the internet. Answer है network, log on, log off, website, world wide web, computer programs, search engines, browsing, surfing, update. Question number 2, answer the following question in one sentence each. 1, have you ever seen or used a computer? Answer, yes, I use a computer nearly every day at school or at home. Second, what is the internet? Answer, the internet is a network of computers. Third, what is a website? Answer, website is a place on the net. Fourth, what is the World Wide Web? Answer, the thousands of websites on the net together form the World Wide Web. Fifth, what are search engines? Answer, search engines are special computer programs which help you to find the different websites on the World Wide Web. 6, what is mean by browsing or surfing? Answer, looking at the various websites is known as browsing or surfing the net. 7th, what is mean by being online? Answer, when your computer is connected to the internet, you are online. 8th, what is mean by being offline? Answer है when your computer is not connected to the internet, you are offline. 9th, what is email or electronic mail? Answer, the system of sending and receiving message or mail on computer is known as email or electronic mail. 10th, what is a password? Answer, a password is a secret word or group of letters and or numbers. 11th, who is a netizen? Answer, a person who uses the net is a netizen. 12th, would you like to be a netizen? Answer, yes, I would certainly like to be netizen. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, ड्रॉ ए डायग्राम टू एक्सप्लेन द आइडिया ऑफ इंटरनेट। तो यहाँ पे जो है डायग्राम दिया गया है, इसके बारे में यहाँ पे इंफॉर्मेशन क्या है। फर्स्ट, सैटेलाइट, ए सैटेलाइट इज ए वायरलेस रिसीवर और ट्रांसमीटर दैट इज लॉन्च्ड बाय ए रॉकेट एंड प्लेस्ड इन ऑर्बिट अराउंड द अर्थ। सेकेंड है डाउनलिंक, द कम्युनिकेशन गोइंग फ्रॉम ए सैटेलाइट टू ग्राउंड इज कॉल्ड डाउनलिंक। तीसरा है अपलिंक, द कम्युनिकेशन गोइंग फ्रॉम ग्राउंड टू ए सैटेलाइट इज कॉल्ड अपलिंक। पार्ट्स ऑफ ए कंप्यूटर के बारे में यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है, फाइंड ए पिक्चर ऑफ ए कंप्यूटर विद द हेल्प ऑफ योर टीचर एंड लेबल द डिफरेंट पार्ट यू से। फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिया है मॉनिटर, स्क्रीन, speakers, processor, mouse, mousepad, keyboard, etc. Question number 5th. List all the pairs of antonyms you find in the passage. First, log on का होगा log off. सेकेंड है connected का disconnected. थर्ड का large का teeny. फोर्थ कैन का कैन नॉट. फिफ्थ ऑनलाइन का ऑफलाइन और रिसीव का सेंड. Question number 6. www is a short form of World Wide Web. Find 10 other short form related to ICT, information and communication technology. Answer. First, AI, artificial intelligence. Second, ACD, automatic call distributor. Third, BT, Bluetooth. Fourth, BW, bandwidth. Fifth, CAD, computer aided design. Sixth, CRS, computer reservation system. Seventh, LAN, local area network. Eighth, LCD, liquid crystal display. Ninth, MB, megabyte. 10th, MPU, microprocessor unit. Question number 7th. Choose a word that has at least 4 letters in it. Imagine that it is a short form. Write the name, phrase, words it stand from. For example, steps: Sunday on Thursday evening programmed. Answer. 1. Wins, women in need of support. Second, SCAR, Street Children's Association for Rehabilitation.